Coronavirus, the deadliest disease that occurred in our modern world. Global community is in great chaos because of the arrival of this one-of-a-kind virus that terrorized China, Italy, and in some parts of the world. But what makes this global community in panic? This is Ray. Let's talk about it. Coronavirus or coronavirus disease 2019 is the newest form of coronavirus strain that strikes the world, especially in Wuhan province in China, where around the world it already claims thousands of lives within 3 to 4 months period, and the number of casualties keeps on increasing. But then, how dangerous coronavirus was? To tell you the truth, coronavirus is just an ordinary flu. But there is a problem. It weakens the immune system. The virus do not kill itself within the human host. Instead, it amplifies the current disease of that human host by weakening the immune system. And the worst part of that is because media nowadays keep on spreading fear using this virus just to put the global community in focus with this virus and never mind other issues that occurred in the society. But then, is this virus curable? Honestly, I used to eat bats, snakes, and rats since I was young. And before I was diagnosed with coronavirus here in one of the hospitals in Iloilo City. But then I did not die. Yes, I did not die. I survived. Because my body develops an antibody to protect myself from coronavirus. I don't know what kind of virus this newest strain that appeared, especially the COVID-19. What do you think? Coronavirus 19 is as deadly as it was mentioned by the media? The truth is not. Yes, you heard it. For me, personally, coronavirus disease 2019 is just an ordinary flu. There are lots of diseases that is far deadlier than the coronavirus disease 2019. What are these? Number 1, dengue fever, or should we say dengue hemorrhagic fever, which is being transmitted by mosquitoes. Dengue, tetanus. Tetanus claims lots of casualties in different parts of the world because of a simple accident, either in home or in workplace. What else? Of course, rabies. Let's admit that in all countries around the world, rabies are so terrifying that it killed a lot of lives. But then, media itself keeps on focusing by striking fear in public using the coronavirus, which is actually not a threat. Yes, it is a virus, and it spread faster than we think. But then, it is curable. If you look at the news, most of its victims are elders, while younger ones tend to survive. So, I know some of you want to ask me what is the best way to prevent coronavirus. For me, there are so many ways to prevent ourselves from being infected by coronavirus disease 2019. Number one, proper hygiene. I know some of us don't, let's just say, we ignore the proper hygiene. But the truth is this, it can be cured with proper hygiene. Let's make our house clean, free from disease, free from molds or any contaminants from the place that we came from. What are those places? Hospitals. That's number one. Public markets, groceries, in place with common aircon, which can lead us to respiratory disease. Number two is proper nutrition. Let's eat healthy foods. Avoid eating carcinogenics or processed food. Let's focus on vegetables, because every disease has its own cure in nature. That is the role of vegetables and other plants. They exist because they have the ability to cure disease. However, in media itself focus more on pharmaceutical companies that develop drugs. Yes, they develop drugs, but the price of the drugs is very, very expensive. Poor people or people in poverty cannot afford that. So what's the solution? Vegetables. As easy as that. I have an example. If you're in the Philippines, rich people tend to get sick more often compared to those who are in poverty that lives in dirty places without proper hygiene. But they survive, they're not getting sick because of proper nutrition. That's an example. So to those people out there who are being struck by media because of coronavirus disease, my only advice is this: don't panic. Practice proper hygiene and eat and nourish yourselves with good nutrition. Nothing is impossible if you follow these steps that I give you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe with my videos for more amazing videos in the next coming days. See you next time.